How to enable two-factor authentication on Booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to secure your Booking.com account with two-step verification. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure you are logged into your Booking.com account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, click on My Account. Once you're inside this My Accounts tab, scroll down and click on Security Settings under Manage Account. Now you'll come across this page where you'll be able to see your security settings. Go ahead and click on Setup right next to Two-Factor Authentication. Now, once you do that, you'll need to download the Authenticator app. If you don't have the Authenticator app installed, then download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator application. You can scan this QR code right here to download the Authenticator app. I'm just going to scan it with my other device. And now you go ahead and add the authentication code. You will be able to generate the code in your Authentication app. Type in the code that was generated from your Authenticator app, and once you do, click Submit. Once you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on Booking.com. You can also go ahead and enable passkey or set up passkey so that you can access your account without having to remember your old passwords. Click the Setup button right next to passkeys and follow through the instructions to set up a passkey. But if you just want to leave it with two-factor authentication, then this is pretty much secure for your account. Once you do that, you can now head back to the home page. Now there you have it. That is how you can easily enable the two-factor authentication on your Booking.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.